All right, 2014 GT-R Premium. I've seen a few videos where people are replacing their battery and moving these fuse boxes and fuse banks. Not necessary. These pins that you see here, there they are. They all come out. So there's no need to actually remove the fuse box. It takes about 3 minutes to remove all these retaining clips. Move the sheeting over to the side and then get ready to replace the battery. Plenty of room to get the battery in, especially if you lift this piece of trim. So no need to remove these so-called fuse banks. Seem like a lot of unnecessary work when you realize, hey, this can be done a lot easier. So thought that might help everybody. You get a chance, you ever have to replace your battery, they do go bad quite quickly, and they are a tiny little battery at that. So definitely one of these things that you're going to have to do if you own a GT-R. And thought I'd just put that out there. Pretty simple. I think you can understand what I'm getting at just by some of the pictures. Here's the size of the battery. Yeah, thing's super small. So anyway, very easy to get out once you remove all that trim, and pretty easy to put it all back in place too. Try not to lose any of the retaining screws or whatever these things are, retaining clips, and try not to break any trim pieces, but relatively a easier way of doing this than tearing all this electrical stuff out and removing it from its mounts. It just doesn't make sense. So anyway, have at it, folks, and happy motoring.